Today we will be demonstrating how to add an appliance connector to your kitchen mixer. Toolkits needed: adjustable wrench, star screwdriver. Step 1. Turn off the municipal water supply to the residents at the water meter. Step 2. Relieve any residual pressure in the system by opening the hot and cold water sides of the mixer. Step 3. Using a suitable wrench, loosen the connection nuts on the mixer. Step 4. Remove the mixer from the S connections. Step 5. Clean any residual sealing material from the threads and prise out the old fiber washers. Step 6. Using the new fiber seals provided, fits the appliance connector and extension piece to the S connections. Step 7. Tighten the mixer onto the appliance connector and extension piece by hand. Step 8. Make sure that the mixer has been aligned correctly before final tightening. Step 9. Using a suitable wrench, tighten the mixer onto the S connection. Step 10. Step 11. Turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. Enjoy your new appliance connector. Cobra, the brand you trust. For further technical support and advice, call us on 0861 21 21 21.